Assalamu alaikum. Hope that all of are you fine. I start with the name of Allah Almighty. Today our topic is, today I have to deliver science lecture of class 6. You have to search about this topic by putting code 22.6.1. Now today our topic is elements and compounds. First we discuss about the elements. Elements are when atoms of same time combine together, they form atoms. Same type of atom combine together, they form atoms. Atoms 109 elements are present naturally. 92 are made naturally and other are made by man-made existence. Elements are classified into two groups, metals and non-metals, according to their conductance. Metals conduct electricity, allows them to pass electricity through them. Conduct electricity property is due to presence of free electron. If a free electron are present, metal conduct electricity. If free electrons are not present, metal do not conduct electricity. Second, elements are classified into non-metals that don't conduct electricity. Electricity conduct nahi karte. Electricity is due to only presence of free electron. They don't conduct electricity because they do not have free electron for the conductance. Now firstly, elements are written by their full name, such as hydrogen is represented by their full name, carbon is represented by their full name, and calcium is represented by their full name. Now scientists think about that elements are represented by their full name. Either short form is introduced. Now after many years work, scientists introduce the short form name, such as hydrogen is represented by H, carbon is represented by C, and calcium is represented by Ca. Calcium is represented by Ca. It is not represented by C because the symbol similar together, and we don't identify either it is carbon or calcium. So we represent carbon C and calcium represented by Ca. Metals have different properties according to their existence: state, hardness, luster, and the melting and the boiling point. State is the existence. Either they exist in solid state, liquid state, or gaseous state. Mercury exists in liquid state. Mercury is used in thermometers to identify your body temperature. Hardness is related to the toughness. Either it is broken or not broken. Luster, when electron fall on the surface of the metal surface becomes shiny. This is known as luster, metallic luster property of the metals. Melting and the boiling point. Metals when exist in solid state. Solid state atoms are so close together, they do not be broken. We have to apply large amount of the force. So when they exist in solid state, they have high and melting point. Melting point is related to freezing. It is such as ice convert into water, this is melting, and boiling, water convert into vapors, this is known as boiling point. Now we have to discuss about the compound and the mixture. Compound elements, we have identified that when atoms of same kind combine together, they form elements. But when atoms combine together in a fixed ratio, such as carbon combined with hydrogen to water is formed by the combination of hydrogen and oxygen. Such as we take hydrogen and oxygen and they form water. We took 1 mole of hydrogen and 1 mole of oxygen and they give hydrogen. They give water as a whole molecule. And in elements this has not been done, but in compound they are combined in physical ratio. Mixture, when elements are combined together in different ratios, such as in sand we put iron nails. Iron nails are attracted by the magnet. We separate them mixture. Compound are not separated. We can separate mixture by different techniques. Such as we took a sand in a bowl and put iron nails on them. It form a mixture, but we have to separate it. We use magnet. When magnet come close to the bowl, iron nails stick together, and this is separation. So mixture can be separated. Mixture are of two types, homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous means same when atoms of same type combine together. We don't identify either it is mixed, such as we mix sugar in water. We don't identify after mixing what we have mixed. So this type of mixture is known as homogeneous mixture, and heterogeneous mixture is different atoms, different things can be identified, such as oil cannot dissolve in water, it form a layer on water. So we can say that this type of mixture is known as heterogeneous mixture. Mixture which can be identified or mixture which cannot be identified are known as homogeneous mixture. Today our topic is end. Next time see you. Hope that all of you stay at home and stay safe. Allah Hafiz.